because this question is for you both. Is it easy or difficult to manage for a woman like you are on a senior level position in your specific industry?
Okay, so 0.3% women reach the boardroom. Rest get left behind. Rest get left behind as accountants, as HR, as a receptionist, or whatever. Only 0.3% women reach the boardroom.
0.3, that's very
also
low. Yeah, that's very small.
Very small. So for that, the women have to be relentless. They have to have presentation qualities for the content, for their own self, but they have to be good learners to reach that level.
Agreed, totally agree, ma'am. So same for you, ma'am. Is it easy or difficult to manage for women like you are on a senior level position in your specific industry?
Create the ecosystem, and distributor like Iris and Kamini ma'am, you are having a support system, and just go and ask whatever is ready for you. Just cater that things, and distributors are ready to help partner, and partner can't grow without the distributor.
What's the relationship, I want to ask? Like, Mike, of course everybody wants to know, but what the relationship that partner or distributor is having?
So great question. So I have been the first distributor for Dell, for IBM, for HP, not HP, but for Acer. We have been the first distributor. And when a partner walks in, the CFO cannot clear credit for him, because it is the salesperson like me who would look at his face and decide whether I am going to give him credit of 30 lakhs or not, because he's got a paper order which is a 30 lakh order, but his bank balance is not worth 2 lakhs. So then in 30 minutes I have to take a call and take a decision whether I'm going to give him credit or not. So I have to build a relationship with him in that 30 minutes. I have to ask his family background. I have to ask everything about him. Does he own a house? But in a very nice way.
Okay.
And check everything and do the due diligence and decide, yes, I'm giving credit or not. But if I take it to my CFO, he will reject it and he will say I can give only 2 lakhs.
Oh, that's okay.
I've seen that somebody, 24-year-old entrepreneur comes to me and says, I want 24 lakh order. This is my first order. I'm starting my company. How do I give him 24 lakhs?
Of course.
So I said, what do I do? I asked him, what does your parents do? So he said, my father was a principal, my mother is a teacher. I said, credit giver. His value systems are good.
Of course, the value system should be good.
Because he's coming from an education background.
Yeah, of course. So I guess it will be the second last question.
So we have like 10,000 partners in the country.
Okay.
And I know the wake up time of them. I know how many kids they have. I know what is their sleep time. I know what time is good for me to talk to them about business. So that kind of close relationship I have maintained in the country, and the connections which are so good that on a click of a button, whoever I want to reach, I can reach and get whatever I want.
So that's the values and the relationship that you're building. Yeah. That's very nice. So my second last question, of course, we are doing it. ऐसे तो हमारी बातें कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगी, because this discussion is like going into some another level. And so, what are your biggest achievement in life? Just one. Biggest, the one.
I don't know how to tell, because I've had so many.
Chalo, you can tell 2 or 3 of it.
No, one is taking Iris to this level, a flawless company with clean records, beautiful track record, and getting awards after awards for the most preferred distributor.
Oh my God. I think we should give a round of applause to you.
So we have made ourselves as a boutique distributor.
Okay.
And we have 70 products. And keeping my inventory clean, keeping my outstanding clean, that's my biggest achievement. And I feel people don't do what you expect, people only do what you inspect. So I am a hard taskmaster, but kind in heart.
We can see that. And if you like to answer one personal achievement apart from your professional career.
Personal achievement, I have got name, fame, money.
Yeah.
All 3 I got. from this journey.
Yeah.
So that name, you can say that, you know, see the this industry has termed me the Iron Lady of the industry. That is a very big achievement.
Yeah, that's a very big achievement.
And I have made enough money. I never asked for money, but money came to me.
Yeah, of course.
So half, meaning 80% of the problem is taken care of for future. So I'm done.
We can see that by everybody call you like Iron Lady. We can completely see that. So Parvinder ma'am, I wanted to know that what are your biggest achievements in life, both professional or personal?
Founding Disha Shipping Trades. I'm happy. I'm able to pursue my dreams because that was my dream, to help other women. So founding the Disha Shaping Dream is the biggest achievement for me.
Okay. So any personal achievement you want to like tell? Biggest one?
Raising 2 kids. 2 sons.
Yeah, of course, 2 sons.
I'm helping them to achieve their dreams.
Yeah.
You can see Agam want to become a drummer. So we are helping him to achieve his dream. So whatever way he want to go, he don't want to go in the regular school, college. So we are happy. Don't go for the regular college. Whatever you want to pursue for your dreams, go for studies in music, whatever you want. Because in India we are facing issue for the finding college for the music, because we are not having the regular contemporary music in the DUA as well. हमने सब फाइंड आउट किया, कोशिश करी, सारे कॉलेजेस फाइंड आउट किए, बट रेगुलर DU में कोई भी ऐसा सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं है जिसमें ही कैन परस्यू. सो उसको अपना जो स्टडी करना है वो रेगुलर DU में नहीं हो सकता. वी आर हैप्पी कि ही इज हैप्पी, वी आर हैप्पी.
So, moving on to our last question, and it is little bit because I am a cinephile. So yeah. So if your life was a movie, what should be the title of it? Parvinder ma'am.
Title Happiness.
Movie title is happy.
Happiness. या क्या कहोगे? मूवी में बहुत कम कर देखती हूँ, इसलिए मुझे टाइटल याद नहीं रहते. इसलिए क्या हो सकते हैं सोचना पड़ेगा. पहले तो मैंने हेल्प ले ली थी, अब मुझे
Exactly. For the first episode of Spill the Beans with Anjali, वहाँ पे we have the audience and all. So वहाँ audience will help. So audience ने help कर दी थी. So now you don't have any audience. आपको खुद ही सोचना पड़ेगा. तब तक Kamya is like thinking मैं अपना answer prepare कर लूँ. Please. If you have your answer, you can just go with it. I want some very like mind-blowing one, right?
So my answer is Kal Ho Na Ho. Because I live for today and my every day has to be productive. If my day was not productive, everybody can make out that my day was not productive, but I make my day productive.
Exactly.
Because what I write 10 points that I have to achieve during the day, if all should be ticked.
Because कल तो किसने ही देखा है? Live the moment, live today.
कल हो ना हो.
really appreciating her words because आपको पता ही नहीं है आप कल हो ना हो.
Exactly. कल क्या हो रहा है? So live the moment, achieve your dreams.
Achieve your dreams. Just dream it and achieve it.
Sure. So of course, thank you so much, ma'am. Your story proves that with dedication and resilience, you can thrive both at work and play. So a big round of applause for you.
Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for making my second day again very special. Thank you. Thank you, Anjali.
First from happy birthday. Keep inspiring us.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
It is so inspiring, really. We must celebrate with her.
How did you celebrate?
Just make her happy. This is the biggest celebration, I think.
Bottle of beer or something.
वो तो प्लीज वो हम नहीं हम तो अपने वेजिटेरियन के हिसाब से
अच्छा, you're vegetarian.
Yeah. We had to do
You're
this.
the marketing
She's business development.
with the
But her communication skills are so good, she will teach you very nicely. Thank you so much. मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया.
हमें भी आपके साथ मजा आया.
I love to treat and pictures.